Now let's take a closer look at the timer event. You can use this event to model dates or periods, so things that are based on when something happens or how long something takes. There are two main types of timer events you will come across. First, the start timer event, which triggers a process based on a date or a specific time, like every Monday at 8 AM or on the first day of each month. Then the intermediate timer event, which represents a pause or delay within a process. For example, waiting 3 days before sending a follow-up email. But now, here's an important point. You'll only find catching timer events, not throwing ones. But why? Well, think about it. A timer can be actively thrown or triggered like a message or a signal. We don't control time. It just happens, independently. So in BPMN, a timer event can wait for a moment in time or a specific duration, but it doesn't initiate anything on its own in the same way other throwing events do. Now here's a simple real-world example from the car manufacturer's quality management team. This process is triggered automatically at the beginning of each month using a start timer event. After that, an intermediate timer event introduces a 2-day wait to allow time for internal review before the quality report is compiled and sent to the management. So this example illustrates how both types of timer events can be used to build time-driven logic into a BPMN process. If you enjoyed this video and want to become truly confident in process modeling, check out my complete BPMN Masterclass on Udemy. The link is in the description below.